Hello students, now today we are going to discuss about the structure of a nephron. So first of all, let's come to discuss the structure. You can see that here the section of a kidney. In that you can see this part. First of all, we'll see this is called the renal cortex. Okay, renal cortex, and in this part is known as a renal medulla, and here renal arteries, a renal vein with the blue. I indicate with the blue color, I drawn with the blue color, that is renal vein, students. This is the renal arteries. Okay, after that these two combined to form the capillaries. Here you can see that. So here you can remember the important labeling here, the renal cortex. This is the renal medulla. This part is called renal medulla. This renal artery, renal vein. So this is, you can see that this is called the renal pelvis. This is renal pelvis, and you can see that here this part major calyx. This is the major calyx, and that is this ending, the thin one we can call the minor calyx. Okay, so this here the ending part is aerator. So this is about the labeling for the kidney. Now, so here from the we can go for the in renal medulla or the nephrons. The each kidney contain the millions of nephrons. We will see the structure of a nephron. Okay, so here in the nephron structure, the nephron is the filtration unit of the kidney. It consists of a tubule that is connected to a with collecting duct. You can see that this is the collecting duct. It has a tubule that is connected to the collecting duct, and at one end it has a cup shaped. Here you can see that cup shaped structure at the other end. This cup shaped structure is known as bowman's capsules. Bowman capsule it known as, and every bowman capsule contains a cluster of capillaries called the glomerulus. You can see that this part is called glomerulus. Okay, so this glomerulus we can find in the bowman's capsule within the cup shaped structure. The blood enters into the glomerulus and through the small artery supplying the glomerulus with the unfiltered blood called the afferent arteriole. So here you can see that this is called the afferent arteriole. Okay students, now another vessel, a small artery carrying the filtered blood away. Filtered, here you can see that here I shown here, this part is called for the afferent arteriole, and this is called the afferent. Efferent and afferent both are different. Here you can see that the blood enters the glomerulus through a small artery supply of the blood, and with the unfiltered blood called the afferent. This is about the afferent, students. Now the another one, efferent. I told that already to you, that is the efferent. Now these two arterioles play an important role in the glomerulus capillaries for the process of ultrafiltration. It will help both the arterioles. Nephron starts from the bowman's capsules and consists of the proximal. You can see that here I indicate the this part proximal convoluted tubule, and you can see that the another one, the loop of Henle. This is the loop of Henle. Okay, and the distal, you can see the distal convoluted tubule. So these are the parts present in the structure of the nephron. Okay, now first of all we will see about the proximal convoluted tubule. This is okay, so it is called the PCT also, the short form. It is a proximal part of the renal tubules next to the bowman's capsules, and it is lined with the microvilli, and maximum reabsorption of water, glucose, amino acids and electrolyte take place here. Come to the second part, that is the loop of Henle. The loop of Henle, it is like U-shape, student, U-shape. This part all called the loop of Henle, and it is composed of ascending. You can see that it is contain the ascending limb and the descending limb, because here it is down very thin limb we are finding, and upper you can see it is some more thick. So this loop consists of ascending and descending loops. Ascending loop is a thick walled and impermeable to water, while the descending loop is a thin wall and permeable to the water. So the mechanism crucial, play a very important role for the absorption of the water here in the loop of Henle. Now come to the distal convoluted tubules, DCT.